right, we got our car rental. Time to go to the Chocolate Hill. There we go. The Grahams got a car and we're cruising Bohol. Ooh. There, this is the main office. But it says we have to be very, very quiet. Where with the monkey? The Tarsier. Mommy wants to take a picture with the monkey. I think she'll get to see real ones soon, but... Cute.
I don't care.
Hello, Po.
Do not shake the trees. Should you wish to take photos, please turn.
Almost in the jungle. My island girl. Ma'am, be quiet. Staring at me. It's like a baby Yoda. See him? You look at the screen. There. Make sure you come early, because the parking lot fills up fast. Look at how busy. Wow, that was cool. Super hot in there. And if you don't want muddy feet, bring some shoes. Daddy was the only person to fall in the mud.
Yeah, it's okay.
It happens. I don't walk in the jungle very often, so I'm getting used to the mud. But we seen 4. Anya did great. She just ate crackers the whole time. I don't know if she even seen any, but she'll watch them later.
Yeah.
But the guide was great. Very cool tour. Recommend it. It's fast too. It's like maybe 20 minutes tops. Eh?
Yeah, that's super fast. And you need to be quiet all the time.
Yeah, be quiet. We're in the jungle countryside. We're trying to find a waterfall. Watch out, little doggy! We have no clue where we are. The Grahams are exploring. We just found some, what is it? A lechon on the side of the road.
Yes.
We're gonna get it. That is right there. Let's go. Tour guide? Oh yeah, you can't go by yourself. Thank you, Paul. There's the entrance.
You are from?
I'm Canadian.
Okay.
Yeah, from Toronto.
Toronto?
Yeah, Toronto. Move. There, we're on our way to the waterfall. So this is our guide. He said 8 minutes. 8-minute walk.
Super slippery. Careful.
Okay, thank you, Po.
Careful.
Daddy carry Anya all the time. Anya she didn't get her nap today. There's the path. Anya won't let Daddy carry her now.
You want to get carried? Come on. Ready?
It's down a mountain. Wow! Woohoo! Wow, what a view! There, Anya, you're gonna have a nap? You have the best naps in the world, huh? Anya could sleep anywhere. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, cool. Woo! There. Go for it, Mama.
I got this.
Look at these jungle stairs.
Anya, come here. You try, Mommy.
Go, go, go.
Come here, come here.
Woo! Whoa, you're going backwards.
Try somewhere. There.
Nice. Look at these rice fields. We're way up in the mountains on Bohol. They're on both sides. Way over there too. There's some rice terraces on the island of Bohol. I'm gonna whip the drone out quick. Did I just see a cute baby Anya? Did I just see a cute baby Anya? She's looking out the window. There's a little girl waving up the street. See if she'll wave again. Oh, she's gone. There, we're at Mommy. We're getting some food. There's the girl. Cell phone. This is Mommy's noodles.
Thank you, Anya.
Look, there's a cat.
You hear the
There's
cat?
A cat.
A little Mommy. Look at that. Ooh,
Mommy's
so
so
good.
good.
Hey, Anya, is that your new cat friend? Hi, buddy. Where'd the cat go? Is he hungry too? Good job, Anya.
Good blow, good blow.
Hello, cat. So you get your tickets here before you go up, and then you have to take a shuttle. And then you go sit over here and you wait for your shuttle. And then we're gonna go way up the Chocolate Hills. You can't really see them yet. So they're, there's the lookout spot way up there. Oh, that's the Chocolate Hill. There, we're waiting now. Put a bottle on the ground. There. So that's the shuttles to the Chocolate Hills. Oh, there we go. Yeah. There, we're on the shuttle to the Chocolate Hills.
Yes, it's exciting.
This is the road to the Chocolate Hills. Busy. There we go. We made it to the Chocolate Hills. And we only have... how many steps?
How many steps? My legs are hurt.
I was getting lots of steps.
Oh my god. Wrong.
There's some of the Chocolate Hills on our way to the top. Way up there. Hey, there's Anya. Hey, Anya. You ready?
You want to sit down with mommy? You want to sit down with mommy? I'm gonna put mommy's foot up here. There. You want to sit down?
Look at all the Chocolate Hills. There. So you get to the lookout platform, and then you got your Chocolate Hills. There, another viewpoint. There's a rainbow right here. It's kind of hard to see. There's a rainbow.
Number 8, ma'am. Ay, 8 bakante, ma'am. Number 8. Number 8, 8 ang bakante.
Anya, look at Daddy! Look at Daddy! Yay! She's smiling. Hey, Anya. Gotcha. Whoa, yummy! So that one is that's intestine. This one, yeah. And then that one is liver.
Yeah.
Feet, the head. Oh yeah. So it's you eat the whole thing, or you just
Yeah.
chew some? Yeah.
The bones you throw away.
Oh, okay.
Because it's
Okay, here's the final walkthrough. Everything looks good. The bathroom. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen in this villa is not very good. But the hosts were great and the villa's nice.
Yeah, they're so helpful.
They're very helpful. They even gave us medicine for Anya today. Anya really likes Little Bear. Got the nice deck. We'll check the upstairs quick, and then our buddy Bert is here to give us a ride to the port.
Oh my gosh. I can kiss.
Everything looks good. Girls getting ready. Today, it's a day 6. Today, we have a 30-minute tuk-tuk ride, and we're going to the port, and then we're taking a ferry to Larena, Sigihor, where we have another Airbnb. And we're gonna go relax for like a week, because Anya's been sick all night. She's feeling better now, but now we're gonna go relax. And then tomorrow we're gonna see a doctor or a pharmacy. Okay, hope for the best. Good travel day. Bye!